Too much rain yesterday, too much rain. It was so bad. So guys are going home. Guys are going home. It was terrible yesterday. It was so crazy. So I'm going to the office. See if I can drink a little coffee. Oh, I forgot my cup. I forgot my coffee cup. Let's go home. Yeah, raining season. Some days are like that. Yeah, but I'm grateful, when we still get like this, we are sure of 40 hours guarantee. So that's kind of a good thing, Sometimes I'm like, if the rain will start messing up like this, let's stay home. Because you're guaranteed, So this is our loader man. So he just cleaning up the whole yard because of when the rain comes up like this, it makes it more easier to clean the whole yard. So he's doing a good job. I'm going inside the office. There's a lot of drivers. They don't like coming on my camera, but I will make them. What's going on? You gonna? That's the man right there.
Detroit style.
No. He's from Nigeria. So everything fell off?
Yeah, we go home.
We go home?
Yeah, we go home.
Man, I told him that earlier. He started praising the Lord.
I said, thank you, Jesus. Go home, do some editing. Oh, man.